Kĩharo-inĩ gĩa cukuru wa Raregni Rarieda nĩkuo Aikari magomanĩte kũrĩa meyũmbĩte ikundi o gĩkundi gĩkĩheo ng'ombe ĩmwe ya kũrĩithia nĩguo makendia iria na kuona mbeca cia gũtũngania mabata mao.
So we believe that this thing is going to change our lives, and as groups we are organized. Before it was brought, we were trained on how to take care of them. We were told how to build their structures, and all those are in place.
MCA wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ augĩte arĩ na itanya rĩa kũheana ng'ombe 250 rita rĩrĩa kĩambĩrĩria na ng'ombe 100.
At least our people will have been empowered financially and in any way they would want it. So that is why I decided to put into the budget 250 cows so that I can at least give our people. Here we have different women groups, we have border groups, we have very many groups that are registered that are going to get cows today.
Aikari a gĩcigo gĩkĩ kaingĩ marutaga wĩra wa gũtega thamaki. Ũrĩmi wa ng'ombe cia iria wametĩkĩra marĩ na matanya ma kũgĩa na kĩganda gĩa gũthondeka iria gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo Kenyugo Mwaũra.